So, Silvia, when you want to start to speak about our project?
Okay. We know that sustainable is a largely abused adjective by many people, but naturally we are not going to be among them. Sustainable development is a kind of development which doesn't compromise the opportunity for our future generations to improve their own development, defending in the meantime natural reserves. Now we'll try to give an exact definition of what is sustainability and how it's possible to calculate it.
And how is it possible to calculate sustainability?
Yeah, it's possible using some tools like the ESI, that stands for Environmental Sustainability Index, that underlines one nation's ability to protect the environment over the next several decades. The ESI is able to calculate sustainability by integrating 76 data sets into 21 indicators of environmental sustainability. It's quite interesting also to look at the classification that ESI made, and to notice that the first places are occupied by the Scandinavian countries, so Finland, Sweden, and then Norway, and the third position is occupied by Uruguay. Talking about us, Netherlands occupies the 40th position, Germany the 31st, and Italy the 69th.
Really, I would never thought that Uruguay would occupy the 5th position.
Yeah, it's really interesting because it points out that not only rich countries are able to protect the environment, but also countries coming from the third world or the south part of the world.
So we cannot make a big difference between the North Hemisphere and the South Hemisphere. We cannot divide them into different levels of development in this kind of economy, is it?
It is not exact to divide the world into two spheres and then to calculate the sustainability because, as we were saying, also countries coming from the third world are important for the sustainability. Together with the ESI, we have also the ecological footprint that analyzes the human demand on the ecosystems. Then the life cycle assessment that is carried out by using an inventory of analysis data and is classified according to its potential impact on Earth and also on the human health. Finally, we have the World Energy Outlook and the World Energy Model.
And what are they?
Yeah, they are probably the most complex indicators of sustainability. The first one is the world's most important source of global energy trend, and in 2008 it covered three main topics. What are going to be climate change policy after 2012, the oil and gas supply prospects, and then the energy poverty in sub-Saharan country. The second one is a mathematical scale that was designed to describe how energy markets work. It covered 21 regions and it analyzes the global energy prospects, the environmental impact of energy use, such as, for example, the CO2 emissions, and the investments in the energy sector.